everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal. Today we are going to be trying on the new Juvia's Place Volumizing lip gloss stick collection. I did go ahead and purchase the full collection so that I can show you all exactly what they look like for the women of color. If you're interested in checking out these gloss sticks, make sure that you stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so as y'all know, Juvia's Place came out with their volumizing gloss sticks. Now, with this particular collection right here, it reminds me a lot of the Makeup by Mario gloss sticks that he has, except for the packaging is not as nice as Mario's, but it's still some really good packaging. I was able to get my hands on the full collection. This is how it came. Very nice packaging. Juvia has never had an issue with the aesthetics of their packaging. And when you open this up right here, it just looks gorgeous. It gives you every shade of the lip gloss, and these are retailing right now for $15 each. So if you are able to get your hands on the Black Friday deal, pick up these shades, try a couple of them, or just pick up the entire collection while it's still in stock. All right, so if we go onto Juvia's website, the claims for this particular product is that it's definitely hydrating and that it does have a high shine. Now, they do say that it comes with 5 botanical oils infused with rich pigment to deliver that high shine and nourish the lips. So we're just gonna dive directly into this, see what each shade looks like on my skin tone, and let's go ahead and hop right into it.
So amazing, it's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. 2020, you've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby.
Drop a comment below. Let me know what you all think about those shades. If you are one of my nude girls and you're all about just a nude lip shade, these lip glosses are definitely for you. A lot of them, if you're pairing it with the same lip liner, can definitely look the same, but if you start switching up your lip liners to different browns, maybe like a cork, a chestnut, mix in some plums for the season, you can definitely get a lot of different colors from these glosses because they are so nude and so neutral on everyone's skin. Right now, I am wearing that deepest shade, which was my last one that I tried on, the Cocoa, and I am in love with it. This is a really pretty fall, winter type of lip gloss. And one thing that I notice about the lip glosses is that when you actually, once you roll the lip glosses up, you don't have the ability to roll them back down. So make sure that if you do check these out, once you get them, you can't roll that back down once you actually roll that all the way up. So keep that in mind. Second thing that I notice about these particular glosses is that they are very soft. So if you are heavy-handed and you press very hard on your lips, you're gonna have a lot of gloss on your lips. So with these, it is a soft formula. You do not need to press hard to get the color payoff because it is definitely there. They all have some really pretty swatches and great payoff. Last but not least, let's talk about the cooling sensation. I have actually been wearing one of the glosses for the past 2 days, y'all. And when I say it gives you that cooling, that normal plumping, cooling sensation that you would feel from any type of plumping lipstick or lip gloss, but it doesn't go away. It stays like that for hours. And I absolutely love that because it just makes my lips feel fresh and I just like the feeling. If you don't like the feeling of your lips tingling, this is not for you because it does last for hours like that. And again, I personally like it, but if you're not a fan of volumizing products that does have that tingle, you may want to stay away from this one. But overall, I would definitely give these lip glosses 5 stars. I do appreciate the nude shades, the fact that they are made for us brown skin girls. They're made for everyone, to be completely honest. But for the brown skin girls, if you like just a nude lip gloss with high shine and that's hydrated, that is going to last and not come off, this is going to be the one for you. I have been drinking with this. I went out to eat with this on, and it stays for a really good time. It has some great staying power, so I would definitely suggest that you go to Ulta or even go onto Juvia website and pick up a couple of these because they are very affordable at $15 per lip gloss. If you do like this video, I appreciate you all staying along with me as we tried on some of these lip glosses for the first time. I appreciate you watching and being a part of my channel, and definitely always appreciate the support. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this channel, and hit that notification bell so that you're always in the loop when I do upload a new video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.